Hello, I'm Victoria. I'm here with Bridge Cable, and we have another employee spotlight for you today. Everybody, welcome Vince.
Hello.
All right, Vince. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to ask you a few questions. Some are going to be professional based, and others are going to be we want to get to know you. So be prepared for anything.
Philadelphia.
It's not local. Everybody's local here.
Typical day could range from many things. Whether it's going to a new site, meeting a client for the first time, doing a walkthrough for them, see what their needs are, and try and come up with a solution for them, to jump into the line of fire. Just some reading mainly. I learn most of it on the job while I'm doing it.
Okay.
People that have been doing it longer. That's pretty much how I got into it. I used to be an electrician, so that kind of helped. It's similar. Different, but similar.
Mm-hmm. All right.
I'd be an entrepreneur.
Anything specific?
Not really.
No?
Just like to have multiple streams of income, so if one fails, you're not screwed. You got others to rely on.
Safety nets.
Exactly. You need scissors to cut the wire, splice the wire, Sharpie to label the wire, and of course electrical tape, because you're pulling wire, you need to tape it together and be able to pull it. Being up on the high ladder, especially if it's outside on a windy day.
Are you afraid of heights?
Yeah.
Oh no!
I am, but I mean I still do it. I don't like it, but
Gotta
part
do
of
what you
the
gotta
job.
do.
Yeah. And most of the time you're only on a 6-foot 8-ring ladder, so I mean,
Okay.
the few times you're up there higher, I mean I can deal with that. If it was all day every day, I wouldn't be able to do this job. Usually just watching TV or maybe some web design, but haven't really done that lately. Hardly one. Lost was good. Once Upon a Time was really good. I like all the Marvel TV shows like The Flash. Well, that's DC.
DC.
You know what I mean.
So both Marvel and DC
Yeah.
like cinematic and television universe. I'm assuming you
Yeah,
probably like.
I never read any of the comics once in my life, but I like all the movies and shows. I like seeing the project when it starts and how it is when it's finished.
Okay.
It's not particularly a part of the job, but I like seeing it before and after.
Okay.
It's nice when it's all under construction and everything's a mess and dirty, and then you go in there later when it's all done and open, it's how much different it looks. Don't rush, take your time, ask a lot of questions, and it's not really that hard if you can pick up on things as long as you ask and don't rush through everything.
Well, thank you so much for taking some time out of your very busy day to talk with me. And stay tuned for another Employee Spotlight. I'm Victoria, and this is Vince.